Welcome to 60 Seconds with Kitch. Today we're going to talk about the pin sets for driving pipe piles. Notice that there's a taper on the top side of these, on the sides and the outside. Always put taper up and taper out, taper up, taper out. Snaps right on. You'll notice anytime that I'm working with pipe and I have these pin sets up over my head, I always wear a hard hat, just like I'm wearing right now, sort of. Anyway, the reason I do that is because sometimes those things fall off and it hurts. Now there's a little ball plunger in here that makes this snap on good. So this ball plunger is worn out. And we're gonna talk about that in how to repair that in another video. So right now we're gonna take a new one, taper up, taper out, and we're ready to go. Keep your taper up.